Hello, my name is Josh Schilliker with the Intel vPro Expert Center. Today I'm at Intel Labs and we're talking about remote manageability and patching. I have Frank with us as well. Hello, Frank. And the situation is, you are in the middle of the night, there is a virus attack, and now the IT administrator has to either do two things. In the past, it's been a question of how do you mobilize your IT staff at night to get out there and mitigate the situation, turn machines on, patch them, get everybody up to the right version. In this current today reality, you have the ability to remotely turn on those machines, patch them, and put them back in that off state. Frank's going to show us that right now. Frank?
All right. Josh, as you see, we have here this notebook is off, power's off. I have this job I'm going to run here, which is going to wake it up, run the patch, turn it back off. So I just click the run now, and I just give it a time. Let's say as an identifier. I can pick which computers that I want to run it on. I'll just pick that one and run it now. And if you look down here, we can get some details on it. First, I'll refresh it. It's at the top. Get some details. You can see the start is pending. There it goes, starting up. If I refresh here, you'll see that that job is done. So the next job will be to run the patch. Now this would normally be done without any user interaction, but since we want you to be able to see what's happening, I'm going to click OK so you can see the screen.
All right.
And I'm going to click OK so you can see the screen. And what's going to happen next is we're going to launch this job over here, our security patch checker. And if I refresh this, we should see we're in there. We're waiting for this job to start. And you see it's kicked off here. But since I'm not connected to the Intel network now, I'll just close this. And if we look back over here now in the summary, it's applied it to all the machines, and now we're just waiting to shut it back down. So if we watch here, we'll see. And you can watch the screen here, and you'll see it'll shut it back down.
So at night, virus attack comes out. IT administrator is able to take all of his machines, regardless of power state, bring them up, patch them, shut them back down.
That's right.
And so for the end users coming in using that IT infrastructure, there's no impact to them.
It's perfect. And there it's shutting down.
And then when you hit refresh on the job, you're actually able to see the stats on that it was.
That's right.
It's completed.
Yep.
Excellent. Frank, that's IT the way it should be.
I agree.